Engineering Laboratory. Today we are going to conduct iron test on a given sample of water. As per IS 10500-2012, acceptable limit of iron in drinking water is 0.3 mg per liter. In no case it should be greater than this value. Here the instrument used in a spectrophotometer having a model SpectroQuant Prof 300 and accessory required are Now the accessories used with this instrument are micropipette, beaker, cuvettes, tissue paper and distilled water. Here the reagents used are ammonium thioglycolate. By using ammonium thioglycolate, all iron ions are reduced to iron 2 ions. In the thioglycolate buffered medium, these react with the triazine derivative to form a red-violet complex that is determined photometrically. Now, from where we get the iron in the drinking water? Iron is one of many minerals that are essential for human health. Without iron, people may experience anemia, fatigue, etc. However, excess iron in drinking water may have a negative effect like it can damage liver, heart and pancreas. In general public water supply, higher concentration of iron in drinking water may produce rusting effect on plumbing system. Now, according to IS code 10500-2012, the acceptable limit of iron for drinking water should be not more than 0.3 mg per liter. Now, how to run this practical? Firstly, we power on the instrument. At the rear of the instrument, there are socket for the plug in the power supply. With this spectrophotometer, we will give a audible sign of beep. The instrument will start its booting process for 2 minutes. Then after booting process, there is a self-test of instrument that are check on memory, lamp, wavelength check and system check. Now you can see the self-test is running. Now you can see the self-test is completed. Now to select the parameter of iron, either we go manually to the method, otherwise we will take the auto selector and we will place this auto selector here. And ultimately you get the function of iron that ranges from 0.05 milligram to 5 milligram per liter, the maximum value. Now go for a zero adjustment. Zero adjustment is done for calibration of an instrument with respect to given parameter. For this we will take a cuvette and fill that cuvette with a distilled water. For zero adjustment, go to setting and here go to zero adjustment and place this cuvette in a cell compartment. As you can see, zero adjustment is running. It's already done. Okay, now you have to prepare the sample. Now we will take a 505 ml of given sample of water and we will add 3 drops of the reagent . Now the reaction time is for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, as 3 minutes of a reaction time are over, now we have to fill this in a given cuvette. And we will place this cuvette in a cell compartment. Now you can see the results obtained is 0.05 milligram per liter. As per IS code 10500-2012, for drinking water, the value of iron should not be more than 0.3 milligram per liter. So the results obtained are in a acceptable limit. Thank you.